All right, now that we've shown you all of those various vegetable cuts, we're going to move on to melon. This cleaning a melon like this could apply to a watermelon, honeydew, any kind of melon like that. Basically, what we want to do is we want to take off the top and bottom again, so that we have a nice, uniform, stable surface to work with. And then what we're going to do is, keeping our hand on top, is just make kind of a sawing motion from top to bottom, and just moving that slightly around. And by doing this, you're going to take off all of the rind, leaving just the flesh. Oops. And there we are. Now this end, you can just take off any of that rind that you might have missed at the bottom. Okay, so now we've got our melon free of rind. We're going to cut it in half, right down the middle. Now we're going to seed it. In my kitchen at work, as well as home, I like to have a lot of kitchen spoons, which are just a larger size spoon that are great for putting a sauce on a plate, stirring sauces, cleaning vegetables. So again, with our kitchen bowl, we're just going to take this and we're going to seed this right around just like that. Get all those seeds out. Got a little Green Day going on right now. Big fan of Green Day. Okay, so now we have our melon. So again, because you have an uneven surface to work with, I like to turn it over onto this side. Now, if you wanted to do, say, a nice fruit plate, you can take your knife and you can just run it down on the side just like this. Okay, and then you have nice pieces. Those are great. You can take those and you can turn those this way, this way, and you can actually have those great bite-sized pieces. Say you want to do a nice fruit salad, you can do that. Now you can do other nice cuts this way, and you can also do those in a nice fan. Cut those families like that. So there's a couple different ways you can cut that, but ultimately that's the best way to cut them out.